He's how many days old now? 5? Right? Or is it 27? Yep. 27, 5 days old. Almost a week. Yes. Almost 1 whole week old. Little footsie on there, big old foot. I don't think it fits through. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Hey. Hey. You can't snap. I don't know how. There we go. What you looking at, huh? It's Tuesday, June 2nd. Come on. Come see Mommy. Come on. Come see Mommy. Come on, buddy. Owen, come on. Come see me.
You can do it.
Come on. Come see me, buddy. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey. Owen. There we're going. Come on. Come see Mommy. Keep pushing. Keep pushing yourself. You can do it. Come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. Use those hands too. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on, keep coming. A little bit at a time. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Oh, just smile, Grandma. Oh, you're so cute. Oh my gosh, he looks little, doesn't he? He's tiny.
Look at his feet.
Big. You got your daddy's feet. Oh, you didn't like that. Oh, Tweety. Oh, you're a natural one. He doesn't weigh very much either, does he?
Yes. Are you guys the Pizza Huts that's close to Buy Low and stuff right there?
In Leesville.
Buy Low? Okay, good.